After 18 years as a plaintiff's employment trial attorney, I know exactly how quickly things can spiral out of control. That's one of the reasons I became a mediator. When you hire me to mediate a case, my job is simple: help you resolve it efficiently while protecting your client's interests and your time. People sometimes say an employment mediator is part therapist, part judge, and occasionally part hostage negotiator. And honestly, there's a little truth in that. But what I really focus on is de-escalation. Employment cases can get emotional fast. By the time they reach mediation, everyone is usually dug in. My approach is to lower the temperature of the rooms, cut through the posturing, and get the parties talking about solutions instead of positions. After nearly 2 decades litigating these cases myself, I've seen just about everything. Cases that start as a simple he said, she said, and somehow turn into thousands of pages of emails, texts, and Slack messages. And of course, there's the phase where someone says, it's not about the money, it's about the principle. Look, principle matters, but in my experience, it's usually at least a little bit about the money. My job is to help both sides recognize the real risks and opportunities so we can move toward resolution. As a former employment trial attorney, I understand the grind. Because of that, I'm not the mediator who just shuffles numbers back and forth. I dig into the issues with you because I know the issues. I spent 18 years litigating those issues. I use that experience to work with both sides to break through the sticking points and move the case toward resolution. And to do that, I bring a little bit of humor when it helps, but I also bring a lot of honesty, but never the smartest person in the room mediator attitude. What attorneys tell me they appreciate most is that I can connect with their clients as people. That helps build trust, lowers the tension in the room, and creates a space where real settlements actually happen. So if you're looking for a mediator who understands employment litigation because they've lived it their whole career, who focuses on de-escalating conflict, and who stays committed to getting the case across the finish line, I'd be honored to work with you. I'm Corey Hanrahan with Hanrahan Mediation, and I hope to see you at mediation.